out here at a job today in Sylvania for a TPG customer. Basically, they've just moved into a new property a couple of weeks ago. They were on the opposite side of the road here, or the river actually. But they've moved into the new house. They've connected up the internet service and nothing really worked. They spoke to TPG. TPG sent out a contractor to come and take a look. He didn't do a great deal, left. Then TPG ended up telling the customer the problem was with their socket. Then they paid for an electrician to come out and replace the socket in the kitchen. And then it still didn't work. They got back onto TPG again. Then TPG suggested they change all the other sockets in the house. And then they decided to call us. So I've come out here today to find out what's going on. So basically, we've disconnected. They were getting they were getting sync. It wasn't syncing properly, but then it would sync, and then they were getting really, really slow internets, like 200 kilobits a second. So I've found the main leading cable here. It's coming in aerial here in Sylvania Waters. And you can see you've got the two yellow cables there. Now I've disconnected the internal cabling from the Telstra lead-in cable here. Now I put it into my DSL tester here, and it wasn't even syncing on the DSL tester. I'll show you that here. And then basically we're getting sync on the customer's router on the modem here, but it won't sync on the DSL tester. So I'll show you why. So I'm going to run a speed test now on this network analyzer.
Yep.
And we'll show you the results here.
To show you how shit it is.
Pretty much. So you can see it's trying to sync up there. Pretty bad. So this is directly on the leading cable, remember?
Yep.
I'll just do a video. It's alright. You can chat away. Chat away, that's all good. This is for you. This is going to help you get it all sorted out.
These guys.
So look at that. So it's really, it's trying to, it's not even doing anything. There we go, we're getting something here on the upload.
How are you going to find that guy's number, Bob?
So yeah, you can see it's just not getting anything. Let's run that test again.
Yeah.
See it here, trying to test. The download speed there, 25.6 kilobits per second. There you go. 151. Rubbish. 15 kilobits a second for the upload. Alright, so as you can see, this is definitely a network issue. So TPG, you're going to have to go back to Telstra, get them to contractor and get out here and fix this up for this customer. Alright, thanks.